Welcome to our YouTube channel. Starting your own car club can be an exciting venture for automotive enthusiasts. It allows you to connect with like-minded individuals and share your passion for cars. Here are some steps to help you get started. Define your club's purpose and vision. Determine the purpose and focus of your car club. It could be centered around a specific type of car, a particular brand, a shared interest in motorsports, or any other common theme. Clarify your goals and what you want to achieve with the club. Identify your target audience. Determine who you want to attract to your club. Consider factors such as age range, car preferences, and geographic location. Understanding your target audience will help you tailor your club's activities and events accordingly. Recruit members. Start by reaching out to friends, acquaintances, and local enthusiasts who share your enthusiasm for cars. Spread the word through social media, online forums, and local car shows. Consider creating a website or social media accounts dedicated to your club to attract potential members. Establish club rules and guidelines. Create a set of rules and guidelines that will govern your club's activities. This may include membership fees, code of conduct, safety regulations, and event participation requirements. Clearly communicate these rules to all members to ensure a harmonious club environment. Plan club activities and events. Organize regular club meetings, social gatherings, and car-related events such as drives, track days, or car shows. Consider collaborating with other car clubs or attending established automotive events in your area. These activities will help foster a sense of community and keep members engaged. Create an online presence. Develop a website or use social media platforms to promote your club and engage with members. Share updates, photos, and videos from club events, and encourage members to do the same. Online platforms can also serve as a communication hub for members to connect and share information. Network and collaborate. Reach out to other car clubs, local businesses, and event organizers to establish connections and collaborations. Partnering with other organizations can lead to joint events, sponsorships, or access to resources that can benefit your club. Consider legal and insurance requirements. Depending on your location and the activities you plan to undertake, there may be legal and insurance considerations. Research local regulations and consult with legal and insurance professionals to ensure compliance and protect your club and its members. Develop a club identity. Create a unique name, logo, and branding for your club. This will help establish a strong identity and make it easily recognizable to others within the automotive community. Foster a sense of community. Encourage active participation and engagement among your club members. Create a supportive and inclusive environment where members can share their knowledge, experiences, and love for cars. Regularly communicate with members, listen to their feedback, and continuously strive to improve the club's offerings. Delegate responsibilities. As your club grows, it may become necessary to delegate responsibilities to club members. Assign individuals to specific roles such as event planning, social media management, membership coordination, or finances. This will distribute the workload and ensure that various aspects of the club are well taken care of. Seek sponsorships and partnerships. Explore opportunities for sponsorships or partnerships with local businesses, automotive-related companies, or car dealerships. Sponsors can provide financial support, discounted products or services, or venue access for events. In return, you can offer them visibility and promote their brand within your club and events. Establish club affiliations. Consider affiliating your club with larger automotive organizations, such as national or regional car clubs. Affiliations can provide access to resources, networking opportunities, and a broader pool of potential members. It also lends credibility to your club within the automotive community. Create a club newsletter or magazine. Develop a regular newsletter or magazine to keep members informed about club activities, upcoming events, member spotlights, and automotive news. This can be distributed via email or made available on your website. It's a great way to maintain engagement and provide valuable content to your members. Support charitable initiatives. Consider organizing charity events or participating in community service projects as a club. This not only gives back to the community but also helps build a positive reputation for your club. You can organize car washes, toy drives, or fundraising events that align with your club's values. Attend and organize car shows. Participate in local and regional car shows, both as a club and individually. Showcase your club's member cars and engage with other enthusiasts. Additionally, you can organize your own car shows or collaborate with other clubs to host larger-scale events. Car shows are an excellent opportunity to promote your club and attract new members. Seek legal advice. Consult with a legal professional to ensure that your club operations comply with local laws and regulations. They can assist you in understanding any legal requirements, liability concerns, or necessary permits for hosting events or activities. Grow your online presence. Continuously work on expanding your club's online presence. Regularly update your website and social media platforms with engaging content, including photos, videos, articles, and member spotlights. Encourage members to share their experiences and tag your club in their posts. Engage with your online community by responding to comments and messages promptly. Evaluate and adapt. Regularly assess the effectiveness of your club's activities and events. Seek feedback from members and make adjustments as needed. Stay open to new ideas and be willing to adapt your club's offerings to meet the evolving needs and interests of your members. Have fun and enjoy the journey. Starting and managing a car club can be challenging at times, but it should ultimately be a rewarding experience. Stay passionate about cars, foster a sense of camaraderie among your members, and remember to have fun along the way. Enjoy the shared experiences and friendships that your car club will bring. Starting your own car club requires dedication, patience, and a genuine love for automobiles. By following these steps and continuously working on building a thriving community, you can create a successful and enjoyable car club experience for yourself and your fellow enthusiasts. Thanks for watching. And stay tuned for more car maintenance tips and tricks on our channel.